5 natural solutions to alleviate blisters on your feet. Blisters are small lesions that hurt the skin of the feet due to the rigid material of some types of shoes. Luckily, you can alleviate blisters with natural remedies. Blisters are wounds. And, although they are not serious, they cause pain, discomfort, and sometimes tend to become infected because of bacterial growth. In general, they occur on the heels since it's an area where shoes tend to rub against the skin. Fortunately, using natural treatments helps to alleviate blisters. These natural remedies also repair the affected skin and create a barrier against infection. Do you tend to get blisters on your feet? Discover these 5 solutions to alleviate blisters. Aloe vera and coconut oil. A natural cream made with aloe vera and coconut oil offers essential nutrients that alleviate blisters. Both of these are antimicrobial agents that prevent infection while the tissue heals. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, Preparation. Mix the ingredients in a container until it becomes an homogenized gel. How to use. Rub the cream over the blister and let it sit without rinsing. Repeat this 2 or 3 times a day until completely healed. Hamamelis tea. An infusion of hamamelis has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. These properties help to alleviate blisters on the feet. Its application promotes healing of the skin. It also reduces the presence of bacteria and infectious agents. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of hamamelis, 1 cup of water, 8 ounces. Preparation. First, boil the cup of water and add a hamamelis to it. Then, let it sit until it reaches room temperature. After 10 minutes, strain it. How to use. Spread the solution over the affected area and let it absorb without rinsing. If you like, rub it with a cotton ball or tissue. Use it 3 times a day until the feet are healed. Sea salt and lavender oil. Combining the antiseptic action of the sea salt with the regenerative power of the lavender oil, we can obtain a relaxing treatment for the healthy feet. These ingredients alleviate blisters and other small lesions of the skin of the heels. After a while they will remove the dead cells. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of sea salt, 2 tablespoons of lavender oil, 5 cups of water. Preparation: first, heat the water and before it begins to boil, take it off the stove and add the salt and lavender oil. Then, put all of this in a container and test the temperature on the skin to see if it's at a tolerable temperature. How to use: soak the feet for 20 minutes, being sure to cover the affected zones where the blisters are. Repeat this application 2 or 3 times a day until you notice that the condition has improved. Chamomile tea. Chamomile flowers have disinfectant, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. These combined properties end up being ideal to alleviate blisters on the feet that come from some types of shoes. This infusion can be considered a therapeutic method which reduces pain and occasional inflammation that happens with this condition. Ingredients: 3 tablespoons of chamomile flowers, 3 cups of water. Preparation: pour the chamomile in a container with boiling water. Let it sit for several minutes and add cold water to regulate the temperature. How to use: soak the feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Repeat 2 times a day for a minimum of 3 days. Banana and avocado. Banana pulp combined with avocado creates a cream with hydrating and rejuvenating properties. These are ideal if you want to alleviate blisters naturally. These ingredients that contain fatty acids, amino acids and antioxidants, lubricate the affected area and stimulate the regeneration of the cells. Ingredients: 1/2 ripe banana, 1/2 ripe avocado. Preparation: mash the half banana and in a blender mix with the pulp of the half avocado. Be sure to remove the mixture when it becomes creamy. How to use: rub the cream over the blisters and let it sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with cold water and carry out this treatment every night. Do blisters hurt you when you put your shoes on? Use any of these treatments to cure your feet in a short time. Also, covering with band-aids will avoid complications while healing is taking place.
Yeah.